Come, let us spill this already spilled a juice and get into some entertainment news. Now, this one came as a shock for me because I had thought Uguti izinto they are better, izinto zilungisiwe, and izinto they are moving as they should. But boy, was I wrong. So Maphephandaba reported, headline, Nosipo's husband takes a second wife. Reality TV star Ed Simply Nosipo went on TV to say she does not agree with her husband taking a second wife. However, it looks like he did it regardless. Maphephandaba got a scoop that Nosipo's husband said, "I do," for the second time today, with close family priests and all in attendance. Okay, I think they wanted to say it will be very interesting to hear what Nosipo has to say about this, if she finally agreed to this or if the husband forcefully did it. At Showmax Online, Mommy's Club star told her story and trended for many months, many disagreeing with her husband's choice, but finally now he's married again. Yo, guysini, men will be the end of us. Remember, if you missed the backstory a bit, Nosipo is also a mother to this man's children, right? Altogether, I think they have 8 children. Now, meaning all these 8 children will now have a second mom. I'm wondering, considering that it looked like the children were also not in agreement with the whole thing, how will they handle it? But that's what happened. And this is a video just to remind you on the whole thing that was trending before this decision of taking a second wife. I hope Nosipo heals. I hope this doesn't break her. And I hope God guides her through everything. So yeah, this is it. What are your thoughts? Do like, share, and subscribe.
What is this? What bullshit is this? You're holding me hostage. You're holding me hostage. Okay, bam. I'm full. Big is a gun. Big is a gun. You can't be more. Okay, just give her belly and shine not on hand. You understand anything? If you come on, I put them in Kulu.
Imoto ngiyayidinga ukuhambisa ingane esikoleni.
Ngicela ukhiye phela kulungile imoto. Angingakho ukuthi unephi imoto.
Phepha ma. Mina was going in nje.
Manje wenza isilimo. You hold me hostage.
Ikwenza isilima kanjani?
Ngifuna imoto, ngifuna ukuhamba.
Calm down, why are you shouting?
Hold on, shut up.
No.
Shut up.
No.
Usangidakele, yes. Senamadoda nje manje. Senamadoda yini? Ufuna ukutshela mina kwami. Ufuna ukutshela mina kwami.
Look at what you're doing.
Ben,
Look at what you're doing.
usuyindoda.
Look at what you're
Usuyindoda.
Look at what you're saying.
Ngamadoda ni. You can get up against me. Ufuna ungishaya. Ufuna wenza, ufuna ukulwa nami. Wozani phela, wozani ngishaya. Wozani khamba. Wozani ngishaya. Wozani ngishaya. Wozani ngishaya. Ufuna ukulwa nami kwami. Niyini?
Who said who wants to fight?
Niyini?
Who said who wants to fight?
Nina fanele ngitshela ukuthi ngenzeni mina.
Who said we want to fight?
Usani ungidakela. Usani ungidakela. Yabo sengijwayela kabi manje. Yabona sengenza la ungijwayela kabi. Ungijwayela kabi. Ngeke yabona with the fact that ngihlela nani kufanele ngigibele emakhanda. Fanele ngitshele nini usingenzeni iphoshe nini kamele kwami. Yini okwayithakela yona wena? Ngiyotshela nini? Usani ungidakela mina. Nonke usani ungidakela, musandi kunginyela futhi. Usani kunginyela. Ngicela nginyukhe ngihambe. Ngicela nginyukhe ngihambe. Nisale nixoxe lento enixoxa. Engangifake. Angifuni.
Sifuna ukukhuluma nawe.
Angifuni. Ngicela ukuthini?
You're not getting the keys. I need the car.
Oh, awufuni ikhi.
Ngidinga ukuhambisa ingane
Ngiyabuza awufuni ikhi.
Angeke ngikwazi ukunyuka emoto.
So kufanele ngize njani?
I don't know.
Oh, you
Wena
don't know?
uhambayo.
Oh, okay.
Wena uhambayo.
Ah, that's fine. salami khona. Ngicela mina kwami.
Dad, we really want to
Ngiyancela.
argue. Argue.
Siyabuza ngiyancela. Nina.
Siyakucela.
Nina.
Siyakucela.
Ngincela mina.
Siyakucela.
Niyini?
Siyakucela.
Niyini? Niyini?
Sikhuluma nawe kahle.
Senamadoda.
Inhlonipho. I don't know what's wrong with you.
Ngiyaswela nokubamba ama-meeting useniceda ukwenza ukukhuluma nami.
What is going on with you, Dad?
Ngiyabuza. Ngiyaswela nokubamba ama-meeting le.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Like, what is going on with you?